Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let's solve an important problem in logarithm. We know that log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. So that we get the same answer by writing 32 as 64 by 2 and then using the power rule. Verify your answer. Solution is, in place of 32 we represent 64 by 2 is equal to log 64 by 2 base 2. We know an important formula is log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. As per this formula, the next step is log 64 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. We know that log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 and 64 is represents as 2 power 6. The next step is log 2 power 6 base 2 minus 1 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Thank you friends watching this video.